Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Beautiful day today. Still technically a little on the cooler than usual side. You can see clear skies for the most part. If you look closely, high clouds have been passing through, but it really hasn't blocked any of the sunshine. Expect more of that as we go through this evening, and then overnight tonight, more high cloudiness. At most, we might see a sprinkle or two as this cold front moves closer to us, but you can see that most of the rain is already trending towards the upper peninsula, and as the cold front itself slices through, it's not going to hang on too much moisture. So this evening, temperatures near 60, high clouds staying dry, and then tonight we expect temperatures to dip down close to about 51. And again, you'll notice a few high clouds as the wind settles to near calm. Some spots away from the city should be dropping down into the upper 40s. Others close to Lake Michigan might stop at about 53, but regardless, from there, we're going to be headed close to 70 for noon and 77 for a forecast high tomorrow afternoon. By the way, tomorrow is our last 8 p.m. sunset of this season. It always sneaks up on us. I'm sure you've noticed the shrinking daylight. Well, we definitely hit another benchmark tomorrow. So again, tomorrow we'll see a range of temperatures, most of them in the upper 70s with a few clouds rolling through from time to time. Don't be surprised if you see a quick sprinkle, but we're really not expecting much more than that. This is your Futurecast, 6 a.m. You can see a quick brush of some light showers. Most of those, again, falling with very little intensity and into a fairly dry environment. So some of those raindrops might even get eaten up before they even make it to the ground. 4 o'clock, same story, a few clouds, others experiencing sunshine, a few sprinkles possible through the evening, and then into Thursday, we're expecting mostly sunny skies. Notice this cold front doesn't really know what it's doing. It's kind of meandering about, and that typically happens when you have a weak system tracking through. So we are not expecting too much in the way of wind. We're definitely not expecting too much in the way of a temperature change between Wednesday and Thursday, even with this system tracking through. Thursday, high temperatures close to about 80. It's going to be a beautiful day, very light winds. And in terms of wildfire smoke, it's once again going to be staying away. We do have some smokiness in other portions of the country, but thankfully the upper level winds continuing to carry the smoke away from West Michigan, guaranteeing that when we have blue sky, we can actually see the blue sky. Next chance of rain Saturday into Sunday. Right now it's looking like a good chance at maybe 1/10 of an inch for everyone, some isolated half-inch amounts. 8-day forecast back to the upper 70s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Very pleasant stretch of weather ahead.